Hello everyone, I Professor Sonone Pooja. I am going to explain string matching algorithm which is a part of design and analysis of algorithm. Here is the contents. What is string matching, what are the various string matching algorithms, and we have to solve problem based on string matching algorithms. First question is, what is a string? What actually a string is? In computer programming, a string is traditionally a sequence of characters either as constants or as some kind of variables, which includes the characters, constants or some kind of variables. And these are the examples of string that includes the characters, variables or any numbers or constants. What is a string matching? When we say that a string is matched, so in computer science string searching algorithm, we can say that sometimes string matching algorithm that try to find a place where one or several strings, also we can say that a pattern, are found within a larger string or text. There is one text is given and we have one pattern is given and we have to find out this pattern in a text. Here is one of the example. We have a string which is A B C D E F G H and the pattern given is D E F. So we have to search the pattern D E F in a given string, and now finding D E F in the string A B C D E F G H is called as string matching. This is the one of the example of this string matching problem. So this is the character given, text given A B C A B A A C A B, text given, and in the sheep 3 the given pattern is A B A A. We got in sheep 3 the given pattern. So the various string matching algorithms are the Navy string matching algorithm and the Rabin-Karp algorithm. So first one is Navy string matching algorithm. The example of Navy string matching algorithm is that, suppose one of the example, the given text is 1011110110. This is the text given and this is the pattern given, and we have to search this given pattern in this text. So find all valid shifts. Likewise, so first take a shift as a s equals to 0. So the given pattern is 111. So compare this pattern in the first shift which is a s equals to 0. So we didn't got this pattern or match is not found. So move towards the next shift. So in a first shift, so this is the first shift. Again compare the given pattern in the first shift, then find out pattern is match or not. If pattern is match, then we can say that we got a match pattern, or pattern is not match, then we have to again move towards the next shift. So suppose in the second shift s is equals to 2, we got the pattern 111. So we can say that s equals to 2, that means second shift is a valid shift. We got our pattern in the given text at the second shift. So this is nothing but the Navy string matching algorithm. Again compare, again find out all the valid shifts and then check whether pattern is available at what shift, at which shift. So this is nothing but the Navy string matching algorithm. Likewise, this is one of the Navy string matching algorithm. Then another algorithm is Rabin-Karp algorithm. The Rabin-Karp string matching algorithm calculates the hash value for the pattern as well as for each m character subsequence of the text to be compared. If the hash values are unequal, the algorithm will determine the hash value for next m character sequence, and if the hash values are equal, the algorithm will analyze the pattern and the m character sequence. In this way, there is only one comparison per text subsequence, and character matching is only required when the hash values are matched. Take an example. These are the steps we have to follow to solve the problem based on Rabin-Karp algorithm. So first we have to take one of the prime number. So here we taken a prime number as a 101. Is depends on us. We take any of the number which is a prime number. So here we have taken a prime number 101. Then we have to find out the hash value of the pattern. So how to find out the hash value of the pattern? Let's see. Here the given text is ABCD ABC and the given pattern is CDA. So we have to calculate the hash value of the pattern. We know that the ASCII values, so the ASCII values of the numbers are, so ASCII value of the small a is 97, ASCII value for the b is 98, and likewise ASCII value for the c is 99. So we have to calculate the hash value of the pattern. So we have taken a ASCII value for the C which is 99 plus ASCII value for the D 101 and then multiply by the prime number, so which is a 101, and plus we taken a ASCII value for the A which is 97 and then 101 and the power is given